All right, bring it straight back, slowly now.
The process begins as raw materials enter. Silica sand and recycled glass combine, creating a sustainable, high-quality blend. Inside this massive furnace, temperatures exceed 1,500 degrees. The prepared glass batch melts into a glowing, molten liquid. Deep inside the furnace, raw materials transform into liquid glass. Perfect temperature control ensures clarity. Now, it's ready to be formed.
Zone 4 temperature is holding steady.
Copy that. Proceed with the standard flow.
Increasing the flow rate to target.
Flawless and precise, the glass moves forward. It now enters the crucial cooling phase.
The flat glass enters the furnace, where intense heat causes it to glow and gradually sag into the precise curve of the specialized mold.
The Zone 4 temperature is stabilizing.
Perfect. The shape looks consistent.
Great sheets of glass are born from intense heat. Precision automation shapes every curve. Welcome to the future of At 1,500 degrees, the sand becomes liquid.
Inside the layer, glass sheets undergo controlled cooling. Temperature sensors ensure perfect stress relief. This eliminates internal weak points. Precision automation guarantees flawless clarity.
The glass enters the furnace. Extreme heat fuses the ceramic border. This creates a permanent, flawless bond. It is now ready for inspection.
The HUD calibration looks perfect on this unit.
Every windshield undergoes rigorous scanning. High-powered lasers detect even the smallest flaw. Uncompromising precision is guaranteed.
This batch is for the 2024 sedan.
All checks pass, labels are verified. Perfect, let's get these ready for shipment.
Precision and safety are standard here. Every windshield is secured for the road ahead. This is how we move global automotive demands.
Perfect. Hold it right there.
Alignment looks good on my end.
Alignment on the A-pillar looks perfect.
Edges are sealed within tolerance.
No leakage detected at the primary seals. Checking for any optical distortion. The glass clarity is perfect.
Surface profile looks within tolerance.
The perimeter seals are perfect.
Precision meets perfection. Every curve is sculpted for performance. Witness the clarity of glass.